For Work Together 10.2, we are going to be journalizing cash receipts and then proving and ruling a cash receipts journal. So we're going to be using the current year, journalizing the following transactions beginning on line 1. Our receipts are abbreviated as R, and our terminal summary is TS. On October 4th, we received cash on account from Oakley Company, $371, covering S96, and its document number is R144. So what you're going to notice now is this is a bigger journal with a lot of different titles across the top with different columns. So make sure you're utilizing the correct columns and take your time. So first things first, October 4th. And we were doing Oakley Company. Document number was R144. It was for $371. Accounts receivable credit and a cash debit. It was covering a different document. That's why we did the accounts receivable credit. On October 13th, we recorded cash and credit card sales, $8,361.60 plus sales tax of $501.70 for a total of $8,863.30. TS 43. So 13th, we put a check mark here because this is our cash receipts journal. So this is where we're recording all the money we've made. TS 43. We need to break it down now to our sales credit of $8,361.60, $501.70, and a grand total of $8,863.30. Now keep in mind these were all given to me in the directions. I'm just placing them in the correct boxes. Last transaction on the 30th, we received cash on account from Sierra Supply covering S97 for $5,989 less 2% discount R145. So 30th, Sierra Supply, R145. First things you can do is go through and figure out what our discount would be. I'm going to put in my account receivable credit first because I know that number is going to be 5989. I'll then take 2% of that, and that'll be my sales discount debit, which is 119.78. 5989 minus 119.78 will give me the rest of my cash debit, which is 5869.22. Same thing as 10.1. We're going to get our totals. There are 31 days in October, so I use 31. Totals belong here. Add up your columns. 6360, 8361.60. 501.70, 119.78, and then this one is going to be 15103.52. Same thing as earlier. We're going to add in our numbers here. We go down to account receivable credit. We have a 6360. Right below that, 8361.60. 501.70, 119.78, 15103.52, 15223.30 is my total. Add up these three numbers, you get the same number, 15223.30, and we know that we've done the math correctly because they match up. All right, one more step on this problem that we need to do. So we need to prove our cash. So in the directions, it then tells me that we need to prove cash. The October 1st cash account balance in the general letter was $11,764.96. The October 31st cash credit total in the cash payments journal is $8,779.53. And on October 31st, the balance on the next unused check stub was $18,088.95. So we need to take the numbers we know and piece them in there. So first things first, cash on hand at the beginning of the month was $11,764.96 plus my cash received during the month, which is $15,103.52, gives me a total of $26,868.48. Then you take out the money I spent during the month, which was, in my directions told me was $8,779.53 equals $18,088.95. Now the directions also told me that the checkbook balance on the next unused check stub was $18,088.95. So we have completed proving the cash. So as you can see, most numbers are given to you in the directions, or you pull them from your chart above. All right, that's 10.2. Good luck. Take your time with On Your Own.